Welcome to Anthem, your trusted source for HVAC and plumbing solutions in the Coachella Valley. Today we're diving into a topic that affects every homeowner in this region: water softeners. Are you tired of dealing with hard water wreaking havoc on your plumbing, appliances, and even your skin and hair? You're not alone. But fear not, because choosing the right water softener system can make all the difference. Let's break it down. There are three main types of water softeners: salt-based ion exchange, salt-free conditioners, and dual tank systems. Each has its pros and cons, so it's essential to consider your specific needs. First things first, you'll want to determine the hardness level of your water. Anthem can provide you with a water test to get this crucial information. Salt-based ion exchange systems are highly effective at removing minerals that cause hardness, making them ideal for larger households with high water usage. However, they do require regular maintenance and salt refills. Salt-free conditioners, on the other hand, are low maintenance and environmentally friendly. While they may not be as effective as salt-based systems, they're perfect for households looking to minimize ongoing expenses. If an uninterrupted softened water supply is a priority for you, consider a dual tank system. Although they come with a higher upfront cost, they ensure continuous soft water even during regeneration cycles. No matter which type of water softener you choose, Anthem is here to guide you every step of the way. Our team of experts can help you select the perfect system for your home and provide professional installation services.
Stop! You hear that? It's the snap, crackle, pop of your water heater. Happens when cold water from the city enters into your water heater, mixing with your 125-degree temperature water heater, creating causing an expanding and contracting of the metal within the water heater. This is a result of lack of maintenance and or age wear and tear. Did you know that it is a manufacturer's recommendation to flush your water heater at least once a year? This will prevent unnecessary wear and tear and extend the life of your water heater. Doing this one time a year will also prevent other catastrophic failures within the home, as the water heater is the largest appliance in the home. So if you don't want Rice Krispies in your cup in the morning for breakfast, please give us a call and schedule your $79 water heater safety inspection.
Don't let hard water hold you back. Contact Anthem today to schedule a consultation and take the first step towards enjoying the benefits of softened water in your Coachella Valley home.